Now, your mind is a kitchen. I don't know if you like cooking, but I've begun to like cooking. I like to think I do some days. And the truth is this: I don't like a messy kitchen. Now, many of you may, but I don't like a messy kitchen. I like cleaning up while I'm cooking just because everything's clear and in order. And you may be like, what the heck's going on? I want to relate this to the mind because I do believe perhaps your mind is like a kitchen. Your mind is like a kitchen in the sense where if you have too many things around you, if you have an unclean kitchen, if you have ingredients that are just lying around for days and expired, you're not going to cook the best meal. You're not going to perform. You're not going to be optimized. And this is the truth. If you don't keep cleaning your mind, if you don't keep doing it, taking inventory in what's in your mind, if you don't keep guarding your heart and assessing the quality of your thoughts, I'm telling you, you are going in the direction of your thoughts. And can I just say this? Your decisions reveal the quality of your heart, your mind. Your decisions, at the end of the day, will reflect who you really are.